Thank you for joining this lesson. Remember to subscribe and to share the link with friends. We're going to discuss currency exchange rates, which is a subtopic in Commercial Arithmetic 1. We are taught that a Kenyan bank buys and sells foreign currency as shown in the table below. So we have the currencies here, US dollars, the UK pounds. Then they are buying and the selling rates as shown in the table. A tourist arrived in Kenya with 15,000 pounds, which he converted into Kenya shillings at a commission of 8%. He later used half of the money before changing the balance into dollars at no commission. Calculate to the nearest dollar the amount he received. So what we're going to have here is converting currencies to different currencies. A tourist is arriving in Kenya carrying pounds. So we're going to concentrate on pounds now, converting pounds into Kenya shillings. So this is foreign currency to Kenyan currency. And we usually use an acronym when changing foreign currency to Kenyan currency. We use the buying column and the operation is multiplication. Therefore, we use an acronym called FOCABU. Foreign currency to Kenyan currency, we use the buying column and we multiply. Therefore, what we're going to have is these 15 pounds, 15,000 pounds, we're going to multiply them with the rate at the buying column. So pounds, the buying column, will have 124.65. This will give us Kenya shillings, which are equivalent to, when we take 15,000 multiplied by 124.65, this gives me 1,869,750 Kenya shillings. Now, after that transaction, this tourist did not pocket all this amount. This was done at a commission. So at a commission of 8%, he paid for this transaction. He paid for the deal to get the money converted. So he was charged a commission of 8%, which means at the end of the day, he was having 92% of this money. So times 92%. This is going to give us 92% of this. This is going to give us 1,720,170 Kenya shillings. So this is the amount he's having. We are later told that he used half of the money. He used half of the money before converting the balance. So half of this money, if he used half, the balance is also half. So we're going to divide this amount by 2 to know the balance he was having. So the balance is 860,085 Kenya shillings. This is the balance he is having after his businesses in Kenya. Then he is now converting this balance into dollars. Now we are converting Kenya shillings to foreign currency. So converting Kenya shillings to foreign currency, we use the selling column, and what we do here is to divide. Therefore, the acronym here is KEFOSE D. So KEFOSE means Kenya currency to foreign currency, selling column, and we divide. So the Kenyan currency is 860,085. We divide by the amount in the selling column for that given currency. So we are converting to dollars. Therefore, we go to the dollars column, which is here, and we divide the amount we are having with the figure in the selling column, 95.87. 95.87. Remember, this is happening at no commission, so he's going to get all these US dollars. When we divide by 95.87, this is giving us 8,971.36. And remember, we've been told to the nearest dollar. So to the nearest dollar, this is the amount the tourist is going to have at the end of the day. Thank you for following. Subscribe and share.